LeBron James. Some say he's the best high school basketball player ever. You can't quantify that, but as we see James within the last 45 minutes arriving at a party at a hotel in his hometown of Akron, Ohio, respective areas, Carmelo Anthony in his Baltimore home, nervous about where he might be going, and Darko Miličić in his agent's office in New York City. As they watch, let's go to Russ Granick, the Deputy Commissioner of the NBA.
Okay, thanks again, Mike. Now let's find out the real big winners tonight. The third pick goes to the Denver Nuggets.
That means Cleveland or Memphis get number 1.
The second pick goes to the Memphis Grizzlies. And that means that the first pick in the 2003 NBA draft goes to the Cleveland Cavaliers. Congratulations, Gordon.
Thank you.
Well,